Well, hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for your benchmark lesson today? Okay, remember, you need your blue benchmark booklet. Okay, remember this week we are on Unit 8, Week 3. So you want to turn over until you find Unit 8, Week 3. Okay, we're going to review our words today that we introduced yesterday. You guys ready? Okay, the first word, let's ready, begin. Bird, earth, first, nurse, shirt, clerk, every, hurt, serve, turn. Okay, yesterday we identified the letters that make the sound in each of these words. We know the IR will say EAR will say we know that UR will say as well as, was there any others? Yes, ER. Remember, ER will say okay? Okay, I want you to turn over to spelling page 2, remembering that you're going to need to reference back to this list. Okay, spelling page 2, you're going to find 3 spelling words that contain IR. You're going to write those 3 spelling words here. Okay, let's turn over and find one together. Right off the bat, IR, bird. We're going to dot it and write it, bird. BIRD. Okay. You can pause the video now and find 2 more spelling words that contain IR. Then class, the next section, you're going to find spelling words with UR. Okay, so I'll write UR here and we'll circle it so you remember. Let's go ahead and turn over the page and write and find one together. First one I see going down on my list is nurse. It has UR in it. Let's go ahead and write that word. Go ahead and pause the video now and finish 5 and 6 as you find 2 more spelling words that contain UR. Okay, class, now that you're gonna go on to 7 through 9 and find 3 spelling words that contain ER. Let's find one together. ER. Oh, first one I found was clerk. Right here, ER, clerk. Let's write it. CLERK. Go ahead and pause the video now and find 2 more. Okay, class, lastly, we're going to find one spelling word that contains EAR. So go ahead and find that spelling word and write it on line 10. Okay, class, now that you've found all your spelling words that contain the letters that made the sound, we're going to move on to the next section. And this is spelling page 2. Okay, we're going to complete the chart with the past tense form of each irregular verb. Okay, here are our verbs, and we need to write the past tense form of those irregular verbs. Okay, so draw. If draw would be happening now, right? Okay, I will draw a picture. What if it happened last week? What would you say? I drew a picture. So let's write the word drew. D-R-E-W. Okay. Okay, what's the past tense form of the irregular verb fly? Today I will fly to, I don't know, Washington. Yesterday I flew to Washington. Flew is the past tense form of that verb. Okay, class, I want you to do eat and drive on your own. I want you to write the past tense form of each of those verbs. Go ahead and pause the video now and finish this page. Okay, class, now that you've finished page, spelling page 2. Remember to take a picture of this entire page and send it to me through your Class Dojo account. I want you to turn over the page once. Day 1 we did yesterday. Turn to the page again. You'll see that I crossed out the directions, as I often change directions. Okay, today I do want you to write a letter, but what I want you to do is I want you to imagine you are wind. You remember the story, the wind and the sun? If not, please play it again or have it read to you. Okay, it's on your weekly slides. And you also can find the story in your Benchmark app. Okay, imagine you are wind. Write a letter to congratulate your friend's son. So imagine you are wind and you are writing a letter to congratulate your friend's son. I want you to remember to write complete sentences as you write your letter, following our 3 writing reminders. Afterwards, I want you to draw a picture to match what you wrote. Please send me a picture of this completed page when you're all finished your Class Dojo account.